Fam, whether it's the first thing in the morning or a much needed midday reset, this 5-minute routine will help you find your center, loosen your spine, and activate key muscle groups. I promise you, this routine is perfect for grounding your energy and improving mobility. This session just needs a small space and a mat. By the time we're done, I promise you, you'll feel taller, lighter, and ready to take on anything. Let's hit the mat. Let's start with a stretch that connects strength with release. Imagine your body moving like a wave, flowing with each breath to unlock tightness in your back and hips. Begin on all fours. Sink your hips back into child's pose, knees wide, big toes touching, arms reaching forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and take a deep breath in. Exhale as you glide forward, lowering your hips to the mat and pressing through your palms to lift into cobra stretch. Open your chest to the sky and feel the stretch along your spine. This movement relieves tension in your lower back, opens your chest, and improves flexibility through your entire spine. If you're a beginner starting out, keep your hips slightly lifted in cobra for a gentler back bend. If you want to try something more challenging, deepen the cobra by extending your arms fully and lifting your gaze. Time to get your spine moving, one vertebrae at a time. This classic stretch is like oil for the engine of your back. From all fours, align your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and let your belly drop toward the mat. This is your cow stretch. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest, and pull your belly button toward the sky for cat stretch. Flow between these two movements, letting your breath guide you. The stretch is going to increase spinal mobility, reduce stiffness, and gently engage your core. If you're a beginner, keep the range of motion smaller if your back feels stiff. If you want to advance in this stretch, add a gentle sway of your hips side to side to explore your full range of motion. Next, we're building length and strength from head to toe. Think of this as a full body stretch that connects your breath with your movement. Press up into downward dog from all fours, lifting your hips high toward the sky. Spread your fingers wide, grounding through your palms, and press your heels toward the mat. Keep your spine long and your gaze toward your knees. If it feels good, pedal your feet, bending one knee at a time to deepen the stretch in your hamstrings and calves. This move lengthens your spine, stretches your legs, and strengthens your arms and shoulders. If you're a beginner, keep your knees slightly bent to make it easier on your hamstrings. And if you want to advance, work on lifting one leg at a time for a deeper stretch and balance. Time to open those hips and add a twist to energize your spine. Let's make space in your body and your breath. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your left knee on the mat. Place your left hand on the floor and twist your torso to the right, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Hold here, breathing deeply as you open your chest and stretch your hips. After 30 seconds, switch sides and repeat on the left. This move stretches your hip flexors, strengthens your core, and releases tension in your spine and shoulders. If you're a beginner, keep your hand on your knee for extra support during the twist. If you're advancing in this stretch, lift your back knee off the mat to engage your legs further. We'll finish with a movement that unlocks your hips, one of the most critical areas for flexibility and mobility. Take a seat on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Place your hands behind you for support. Slowly drop your left knee toward your right foot, allowing your hips to internally rotate. Bring back to center, then drop your right knee toward your left foot. Move side to side at your own pace, feeling the stretch deep in your hips. This exercise is going to improve your hip flexibility, enhance mobility, and reduce stiffness from prolonged sitting. If you're a beginner, move your feet further apart for a gentle stretch. If you're advancing in the stretch, add a slight forward lean to intensify the stretch in your hips. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've energized your spine, opened up your hips, and created a foundation for strength and flexibility. If you enjoy this routine, smash that subscribe button and check the link in the description for a free customizable fitness program. It's packed with workouts, nutrition tips, and more. Keep moving, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.